So, next expert lesson. Meditate while driving. And if you're not old enough to drive yet, or you don't have a car, then you can take while bicycling, skateboarding, snowboarding as a substitute. But it's mainly aimed at those who drive a car. Sure, a motorcycle might work. So I want you to, when you sit in a car, tune into the silence you are. Be calm. And when you drive, you're just in the experience of moving quickly through the environment. You're just aware of steering the steering wheel, shifting gears, accelerating, braking, turning, overviewing the traffic around you, and just experience it purely, without any filters, no thoughts about the other drivers, for example, the other cars on the road. Pay them no mind. Of course, don't crash into them, but often drivers are annoyed by other drivers, or they comment on how other drivers drive, or if somebody drives too slowly, you're aggravating yourself basically because they're driving slowly, and just all of these mental things that goes on in traffic. So I want you to experience driving without all of that. And the same goes if you're the one who's driving slowly and somebody else is pushing up your back. Pay them no mind. But of course I would say that if you're creating a long line of cars behind you, then please show them your mercy and pull over and let them go, and then drive in again. But don't stress yourself whether somebody's driving too slowly or driving up in your butt or anything that happens. Just be aware of the driving itself, the experience of swooshing past, swooshing through the environment. Don't have the radio on or music or anything. Just listen to the swooshing sound of the car and other cars passing, the engine. Be aware of how it feels to hold the steering wheel, the stick shift, how it is to sit in the seats. Just be in the experience completely while being aware that you exist. But no other thoughts, only the direct experience of it. It's pretty magical. So train yourself, get used to driving like this. Because it's like being a little kid. It's like driving around in a colorful tunnel. It's fun. So, try that. And of course, if you're riding a bike, the same applies, with a few modifications. You're still swishing through the environment. There might still be other people that you are annoyed by if they walk in your lane or whatever, but just stay in the experience of driving the bike. The forward momentum, the sense of it. So get really deep in this and transform every day you're driving to a deep meditation. It'll be worth it.